Hi, I'm Karima. And I'm Rafa. We have a vlog from the past Saturday, and we went to the middle school girls' math and science day. And we went with our school. It was all girls, and less of boys at school. And it was from 6. So first off, we got a nice welcome, and we had our keynote speaker, Dr. Marjorie Weber.
And I'm a scientist. And in particular, the type of scientist I am is I'm an evolutionary ecologist. I'm an evolutionary biologist, and I study evolutionary biology through the lens of ecology. Okay, so what does that mean? What that means is that I study species, all sorts of species on our planet, from across the tree of life, and how those species interact with each other on our planet. So I'm a biologist that takes a tree of life perspective and studies interactions among those species. That's what those words mean, evolutionary ecology.
Here we're going to our first activity. It is called One Fish, Two Fish, Many Fish, Few Fish. And here we are, walking.
Who likes to eat fish or any other seafood?
And this was about fish, and we were learning how people estimate how much fish there are in the ocean or a lake. And we did some tagging on fake fish, and we estimated how many fish are in the box. So here we are tagging the beautiful fish. Our second activity was being medical laboratory scientists. We analyzed a urine sample of a 12-year-old that was diabetic. We used a glucose chart, and we used it to see if he was diabetic, which we didn't know before that. We also did, in the laboratory, we looked into a microscope of a blood smear to see if the person is healthy or not healthy, and we had 2 different people with different ages, and we compared them. One of them had was healthy and had less white blood cells, which is good for them, while the other person had too many white blood cells that made them sick, tired, nauseous. The third activity was called Assemble This, and we were working with DNA, genetics, and how they put it together and how they figured out what gene they are. We used Legos, and we had to figure out a DNA kind of alignment, and it was very interesting how complicated and stressful it was. The last activity that we did was learning about different plants and how they grow and how they move and defend themselves. And it was really interesting. We learned about a few plants. We learned about the Venus flytrap and others. And we also had this little souvenir plant, which could, if you touch it, it could move. Also got a souvenir bag with all kinds of stuff like games, lollipops, experiments, and everything else. Yeah. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe to this video. Comment down below if you guys ever been to one of these events.
If not, you should go.
Bye!